Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to create your unique wallpapers. If you want to change your wallpaper from now on, you can create your own using your own photo or AI generated, but the idea is that you make whatever you like. So for this, what you want to do is go to the home screen, just press and hold. On the left hand side you'll find the button wallpaper and style. Tap that, go to change wallpapers, and here you have this creative option. Select this, and here you have a bunch of options which you can choose from. Let's go for imaginary. If you tap lamp, you have here a bunch of options. So let's go for UFO. Go back, flowers. You got again loads of options. So I just go for silk. Go back, and you have this pink and purple. That means it's gonna give you an option of colors. I'll go for cream and orange, see what happens. Once you selected these options, just press generate, and you have few options, 4 options of wallpaper which you can use straight away. Nice and easy. Less than 1 minute you created your own wallpaper using your imagination.
Nice.
This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.